So when you're first establishing gambling as a best friend, or as your positive knowns, or just knowns as your way of relieving stress and coping with things in your life and things like that, what happens is at some point that resource becomes a problem, and it becomes a problem when you try to quit. So when you won't really understand that you have a real problem with gambling until you try to quit and can't, right? The thing is, if you can quit and you no longer need to gamble, and it doesn't feel like you're trying to quit, like you just stop and there's no problem stopping, you don't have a problem. You're not in a gambling addiction yet. A gambling addict can't do that. They might tell themselves and force themselves and use that discipline and that willpower to stop gambling, and it could work for a month or 6 months or a year even. But at some point, if they don't develop certain tools to rebuild their life and get out of the limiting beliefs, and change their gambler's identity and feel differently about it and think differently about it, and all these things that we talk about on this channel, they haven't done that, then at some point the willpower will fade, the discipline will fade, and you'll go right back to gambling, and you'll gamble just as much if not more than you used to. You'll binge it again until you get to that level, and then probably go more.